Hey everyone, a couple new cars in this week. First up we have the BMW 535i. This is opening diecast by Minichamps. This is a re-release. This car was out a decade and a half ago and they became quite valuable, so they re-released them. Retail is almost $300, $259-ish, $269, $279. So you have pretty high expectations for this, but the tooling dates back 10-15 years at least, so you kind of see the center pegs and all the lights. Kind of a giveaway of an older way of putting these cars together. But this is back when Minichamps was much better than it is now. You've got a flocked rear parcel shelf. You've got flocking, simulated carpeting, all the kind of good stuff you used to rely on for Minichamps that you really aren't getting lately. Got nice seat belts, and all four doors do open. I mean, this is nice. This is kind of the heyday of diecast. You've got carpeting underneath the trunk, simulated toolkit, carpeted trunk itself. And you've got a reverse opening hood with scale hinges, no big dog legs. Now this is an E34 generation from the late 80s, 88, 89 until 94, 95-ish. The precursor to the E39. This would have a big straight six, 3.5 liter. I think that's the M30 or M20, I forget the engine code. You've got your basket weave BBS style wheels. This was a Black Friday score at Mint Models. It was $89 after $10 off or on sale. I mean, that price, I'm very much not mad at this. This is nice. They also had the E32 7 Series, so I scored that too. I'll show that in a later video. Kind of a small package, not your typical size for a 1-18. I don't know why they show a bunch of different cars on the box. There's some BMW and then there's random Audi stuff, but whatever. This is a limited edition. I'm not sure the number. I'm pretty sure it's not numbered underneath. No, not numbered underneath. But again, this is just a really nice piece. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we've got our typical sealed resin lately. This is a 964 generation 911 turbo by GT Spirit. But what makes this special is it's called a flock bow for a flat nose or slant nose. Really neat piece. It's got the Speedline wheels. Again, sealed resin. So this is a Turbo S 964 generation. So this would have been 94-ish, 93-ish. At the end of the run before the 993, this was still air-cooled. This would have a either a 3.6 or a 3.8 liter flat six turbo. About 400 horsepower off the top of my head. This I got from Diecast Models Wholesale. Retail typical GT Spirit 129. I think I got it for $79 at that price. I'm not mad at it. I got 10% off because I had to open up the model because the seat was loose, so it's $70. I'm definitely not mad at it. It's a nice piece. I don't know if anyone else makes a flat nose like this. Here's your typical GT Spirit box, black with a little preview of what you get. So that's it for this week. Got some more Black Friday scores coming up. Maybe we'll wait a while for that E32 7 Series. Gotta take a break from BMWs, but tune in next week. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.